what happened to Blacksprout? Look, I can't send message. And also, look what happened to my character. What? Where's my avatar? And then guys, I can send a message. Look, the system says the chat filter is currently experiencing issues and message may slow to appear. And also, there's a lot of lag in the game. Come on, guys, what's happening to Blacksprout? Look at my character. What happened, guys? What happened to my avatar? You know, maybe they are updating some things, and maybe Dragon rework is coming. Look, or maybe there's just some problem, and the game is so laggy right now, guys. I can't play properly. Look, and also, what happened to me? Yo. Ayo guys, let's see some update from Blacksprout on what's happening on the server right now. It's so laggy and I can't send the message. And stay tuned for more update guys. Bye!